All right, just wanted to go over a couple things here on Sunday night. The markets are closed tomorrow, so probably not going to be much going on. But something to note, the Solana unlocks are coming. Now, they're not really, I think it's like 2% of current market cap of what's going to be added, so it's really nothing. But I don't know if that matters as much as the perception of them, but we'll see. It's been known about for a long time. The Yeah, it looks like it's going to be 2 billion. And if you look at the market cap, right now it's 91 billion. So again, around 2% of total market cap being locked. It's not a huge amount, but SOL's been looking like absolute trash, to be honest. I mean, we have this kind of lower range that I marked out down here. And if we do start accepting into it, I would, something like 90, 80. Um, I I could definitely see that. We kind of, come back into here, chop people up, and then we get this big kind of liquidation candle, and everyone thinks it's over, and then maybe we kind of reverse. Um, but yeah, just some thoughts on Solana. I think this kind of zone is pretty important. If we don't, this high volume area like here ish. You can see like the support and resistance we've had against it constantly. So I would just watch that level. It's going to be real choppy though. So, this kind of zone I'm watching for a bounce. If we don't get it, watch, see if we accept into this range here. If we do get that kind of wick where everyone thinks, oh my God, it's over, we get like 90 or 85, we blow all these stops. Um, Probably a good place to go long. So it's just something I'm watching. I haven't been intraday trading Solana that much. Um, Volatility hasn't been that good, but something I'm watching. Another thing I wanted to update you guys on XRP. Let's get these out of the way. It makes the chart look all messy. All right. XRP I think looks even more interesting than Solana, to be honest. XRP, obviously the narrative is like the bank kind of narrative, like banks are going to use XRP. Whether they actually do, I guess we'll see. But it is in an interesting spot. I think you have kind of two setups. This is all dependent on what Bitcoin does. So if Bitcoin breaks out of the range here, it just keeps nuking. None of this stuff's going to matter. But I think this previous week VWAP on this little cluster here could be an interesting long. Um, and it's also kind of the value area high of this lower range here. I'm also wondering if maybe we front run it. If you go down to like the 30-minute, which we kind of already did, I guess. Let's see. Let's go this. Let's mark this out here. These single prints down here. Let's just make it green. Yeah, I just realized. I guess you have you have kind of three setups here. Either I take that back. I don't know. Maybe that cluster. Okay, I'll watch Bitcoin. We'll see on that one. Update you guys tomorrow. But let's see what that's weekly VWAP. This is monthly. It's sitting there. Okay. So I guess you have two kind of interesting trades. This one might kind of already be over. Just curious. Okay. Because if we kind of keep chopping in here and we hold this, I mean, this is a good place to get long, to be honest. If we hold these singles, if we don't, I love that kind of single print fill. So if we get down here and we're not getting a rejection, like we're getting some positive price action, I'll definitely look for the short to kind of fill these out, probably to here. I'll definitely front run it with probably a take profit here. But yeah, definitely some good setups on XRP. Um, anyways, okay, so watch for these single prints. I'm actually gonna put a alert right here. We might not ever get down there. We might just kind of chop down here and then just keep trading up. But definitely a good setup there. And then a setup down here. And then I would just remain like the context that you have when you make these trades. Just look where we are like on the daily. So it's kind of like we have this box here. And then if we kind of come back into it and we're not seeing positive price action, like maybe we come back, retest the underside, and then continue lower. But we'll see. We'll see. I take it kind of one trade at a time. I don't have any spot bags, so I don't mind one way or the other. That's kind of what I'm watching on XRP. Let's go Bitcoin. Yeah, nothing has changed on Bitcoin. Still in the range of death. You have some heavy spot bids around here at 95 on Binance. Seems like Binance has been the Chad, kind of keeping us up, but we'll see if it continues. Um, yeah, yet to be seen, I guess. But Bitcoin's been extremely boring. I haven't even been trading it. So things I'll definitely be watching this week, XRP for those setups that I'm talking about. Solana as well with the unlocks looming. I want to see how price trades into it. Um, and yeah, SPX off tomorrow. Let's look at it real fast. Almost at all-time highs. So open is going to be interesting on Tuesday. All right, if you guys have any questions, throw them in the comments. Thanks, guys.